Kale banana smoothie with Sejong Mama. I have enjoyed drinking kale banana smoothie. Right now, I will tell you how to make it. First, I went to the back garden to pick some kale, and I washed them in the vegetable washing machine. Now, I'm gonna try parboiling to keep them for a long time without preservatives. I will explain what parboiling is. Dip kale in the boiling water. You can count to 10 with the downs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pick them up with a strainer and rinse them with cold water. Next step, you can blend them in the blender. Keep it in the plastic bag and freeze it. To increase its fresh flavor, I'd like to pick some mint herb and add them in the smoothie. Let's check ingredients: banana, frozen kale, and frozen banana. Put some frozen banana, frozen kale, and pour some fresh milk in the blender and mix them all together. Finally, we made a kale banana smoothie. It is really good to enjoy as your breakfast every day.